Hello friends, welcome to the channel. You are watching Alig Mechanical Academy. Today I am going to discuss the solution of the question number 46, which was asked in GATE 2020 of 2 marks. The question is, the thickness of a steel plate with material strength coefficient of 210 megapascal has to be reduced from 20 mm to 15 mm in a single pass in a two-high rolling mill with a roll radius of 450 mm and rolling velocity of 28 meter per minute. If the plate has a width of 200 mm and its strain hardening exponent n is 0.25, the rolling force required for the operation is dash kilonewton, round off to 2 decimal places. Note: average flow stress is equal to material strain coefficient into true strain to the power n upon 1 plus n. This is a rolling process in which we have to calculate the rolling force required for the operation. This is a rolling operation in which two rollers are rotating in anti-clockwise direction, and this is the steel plate which are moving in this direction. Okay, so rolling force is equal to average flow stress sigma average into AP. AP is the contact area, or you can say plate area, which is equal to AP is equal to LP into B. B is the plate width which is given in the question, and here LP is equal to R into delta H. R is the radius of the roller and delta is the reduction in the thickness. Okay, so finding this area which is equal to R into delta H into B. R is the radius of the roller which is equal to 450 mm into reduction in the thickness will be equal to 20 minus 15, which is 5, and into B, width 200. When we calculate this value, this will be equal to AP is equal to 9486.8329 mm square. Now we need to calculate average flow stress which is equal to material strain coefficient, and material strain coefficient is given in the question, which is equal to 210 megapascal. So we are not having true strain, so finding true strain will be equal to ln LF upon Li. LF is the final length of the plate and Li is the initial, and this is also equal to ln AI upon AF. AI is the initial area of the plate and AF the final area of the plate. ln AI will be written as B into HI, and F will be written as B into HF. B, because B is the width of the plate which is not changing, only thickness of the plate is reducing, so it will be equal to ln HI 20 upon 15, which is equal to true strain is equal to 0.2876. now average flow stress will be equal to material strength, which is equal to 210 into true strain 0.2876 to the power n is equal to 0.25 upon 1 plus n, which is equal to 0.25, and this value, when we will calculate, this value will come out as sigma average will be equal to 123.0374 megapascal. So now calculating rolling force will be equal to sigma average into AP. We are having both values. Sigma average is equal to 123.0374 and AP is equal to 9486.8329, which is equal to 11 67236.1580 and rolling force is equal to 1167.236 kilonewton, and this is the our final answer. According to official answer key, the answer of this question will be 1168 kilonewton. So our answer is a correct answer because it lies in both the values. So thank you very much guys. For more videos, subscribe our channel, like, comment and share the videos with the mechanical students. Thank you very much.